Go.
Yeah. Alright, what is going on, you guys? So the time has finally come to wrap the BMW 328 E92. This has been an ongoing project for almost a year, 2 years, but we barely have any time to work on it. But we started doing the Bondo in like little spots that it needs Bondo. So this hood, we bought it aftermarket. I mean, it wasn't looking too good. Right, so it's pretty late at night and we can't even be sanding. And this thing still needs to dry a little bit more. So we're gonna go ahead and start wrapping the panels that don't need any body work. And that would be both doors, driver side, passenger side, and the both fenders. Currently it's like around 10 p.m. right now, so maybe we can wrap 2 in the next hour. I do one side while Mikael does the other side. So we're gonna go ahead and get started. Actually, so before we get started, let me go ahead and introduce the color that we ended up going with. It took us like 6 samples, and this is the color we ended up going with. That's kind of loud, huh? We went with this red color from Metro Restyling. It's about 60 feet, so hopefully it's enough to do the whole car. I don't know, I mean, for the last car, I think we used the 45 foot, and it was just enough. But that was a Z4 little car. So this is the color. Hopefully it looks good. Hopefully it looks good on camera. All right, so let's go ahead and get started and put it on the time lapse.
Yeah.
Alright guys, so finally after a week, the wrap is finally finished and it looks amazing. The last piece was the bumper and we had to do that in 4 pieces, 3 inlays and the top, and that took the longest time, but finally it's finished and honestly it was so worth it. The color is just perfect, but this is it. wow, it's not even the same car anymore. Also, one more detail we ended up doing to the car. So we picked up these LCI headlights on eBay. They came silver, so we ended up removing the lens just so we can tint them black. So that way the halos pop out a little bit more. And it looks really, really nice. So before we end today's video, here's a little cinematic of how the car looks. All right, you guys, so that's pretty much gonna wrap up this build. There's not much else to do to it because it's broke, and we gotta sell the car so we can get our money back that we put into this car. We went way over budget. But leave your comments down below. Let us know what you think. See if you guys like the color, the wrap, any questions you have. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and we'll see you guys next time.